Welcome to my channel. Netgear EAX15 Setup. Unbox your Netgear EAX15 and place it in the same room as your router during setup. After setup, you can move it to its final location. Plug the extender into an electrical outlet, and wait for the power LED to turn solid green. This may take a minute. On your computer, tablet, or smartphone, go to your Wi-Fi settings, and connect to the extender's network. The network name, SID, will be something like Netgear_EXT. No password is required at this point. Open a web browser and navigate to www.mywifiext.net. This will bring up the Netgear installation assistant. If the page doesn't load, try entering 192.168.1.250 into the address bar. You will be prompted to select your existing Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password. After connecting to your existing network, you can set up the extender's new SID, Wi-Fi name, and password. Can either mirror your existing network name with a _EXT suffix, or you can choose a new name. After setup is complete, the extender will reboot, and the LEDs will indicate the connection status. The router LED should be solid green, indicating a good connection to your router. After setup, unplug the extender and move it to a location about halfway between your router and the area where you need better coverage. Plug it in. Wait for the LEDs to stabilize, and ensure that the router LED remains solid green or amber. Reconnect your devices to the extended network, either the one with the _EXT suffix or the new name you set up. For additional features and easier management, you can download and use the Netgear Nighthawk app on your smartphone or tablet. Thanks for watching.